Did you know that the Boeing 747 is often referred to as the Queen of the Skies? The Boeing 747 revolutionized air travel with its wide-body design, making long-haul flights more comfortable and accessible. The Boeing 747 has a distinctive hump on the front, which houses the cockpit and gives the aircraft its iconic appearance. This jumbo jet has played a crucial role in shaping the global aviation industry and has been in service for over 50 years. The Boeing 747 also holds the record for the heaviest and largest commercial aircraft in the world. With its unmistakable silhouette and groundbreaking innovations, the Boeing 747 continues to capture the imagination of aviation enthusiasts worldwide.